Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your following list on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. Then you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Okay, and click on three bars on the top right and click on settings. Here you need to click on account and you need to switch to personal account. As you can see, I am already in my personal account. Then you need to go back and click on privacy and make your account private and click on switch to private. So once you done that, your following list will be hidden. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.